Well, we managed to get, what hopefully is enough paving slabs to finish it all off. The little workforce is here for the weekend, but they go back today. And they've done a little bit in garden. The flower bed's now virtually done. Just need to put the ends on and they can start on with the paving down that end there, and the path that'll run between the tater bed and the flower bed. But as usual, raining and more raining. But my health is not getting any better, sending me in gargarland, so I can't do nothing. This is all dug out ready, but the continual stream keeps running through there, so I might get them to break some breeze blocks up, put some breeze blocks in the little channels and some thin wood or something on top, just something so that the concrete can be poured on top of it. Then it'll be, do that in there, this path that runs through the middle, path that will run through there, then there'll be that black stuff, that drainage gear, where that flower bed is. We'll be digging out those raised bits, putting the black stuff in and putting edging stone down the end, and hopefully that should cure the majority of the flooding. Polytunnel, that's just sat there doing naught. He chopped the wood yesterday, did Loki, and basically doors, he just needs to put the lintel on the door, screw it together, then throw a cover on. There's no rush for that. Well, that's the update for now. Right, go back inside. I feel sorry for myself. Well, this is a problem we're having. Rain and more rain. Grandson moved all paving slabs round yesterday, but I'll show you the bit that's buggering us for now. Right, you can see all the little puddles. We get over here, and I've got a stream that never stops running through there. What it is, it can rain one day and 3 days later it'll still be running off of that field down here. So what I'm going to do is, grandson's back at the weekend, I'm going to get him to dig a little channel there, a little channel there, down through there to there. Only a couple of inch deep, maybe 3 inch deep. Then I'll get him to put some gravel in it, some polythene over the top of that, and then we'll get it concreted. You can see that bit there, that is the brown pipe. It runs from there over, then it shoots down here, zips along there and pops out of the fence there somewhere. And that's the problem that we're having so far. We can't stop the garden from flooding. The flower beds are now done and the path's ready for levelling out, and that's just over 1 slab wide. So I'm going to have I'll get him to put a little drainage channel down this side, but probably run out down there.